Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a Shakir orange M4 convertible, F83 I believe, and we're going to be installing Hardwire kit for Valentine radar detector.
Yeah, I can't fully load it, which wasn't what I wasn't looking specifically for it, but it was that. Poor birdie.
Oh yeah, you going too fast, man.
I mean, why is it flying that low? The sky is not that low.
Must be dead already. It was probably just got sucked in from the turbo. The turbo sucks everything in. So this is the V1 right here, I think.
Yeah.
So before you would have the cable right here, which is not very clean. So our goal is to do a hardwire setup. So here's the wire that we're going to be using. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get yourself one of these. RJ11 wire mount. Let's go ahead and open this piece right here. You're just going to split it open with a pry tool. Let's see if we can sneak it in there.
Oh!
There it is.
Okay.
Okay, and then the other side.
No.
Okay, we're good. Go ahead and see if we can pull this out. The top cord is purple. All right, so we pulled out this purple cable right here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the red and white cable right here for power, and then you're gonna use this brown one here for ground. Okay, so these smaller leads we're gonna use. So I'm gonna go red to the red and white cable right here. And when you push it in, you wanna feel some resistance because you don't want this to come loose. Okay, so I got the red one in, and if I just let it hang like that, it's not coming off. Same thing with the black lead. Please go in. Okay. Okay, so they're both in now, like that. And if I shake it, it's not coming off. I'm gonna also put electrical tape and zip ties to make sure that this doesn't come off when Luik is driving hard through the canyons. Easier said than done.
Where does it go?
It goes to the very top. This is where having small hands helps. Okay. And as you can see, it turns on. Once you have one section on like so, it's time to do the other side here. Then you just apply pressure to close the clips. Make sure all the clips are closed. There you go. So we put these two screws in first. Come on. There's little opening slits here so you can actually just slide it in. Okay, there's one side in. And do the other. Oh, there we go. And then you tighten it.
Nice.
It looks like a face.
Like a skull face? Yeah, kind of does. Slide it. Oh, okay, cool. That's how you do it. And then there you go. Oh yeah, that's on. Now we just gotta plug in our wiring right here. And voila.
Dr. Salt to the rescue.
All right.
So excited.
And just like that, we have the Hardwire and the Blendmount installed. Looks so much cleaner, and Luik is very happy with it so far. Yeah, Luik's happy for sure. Service due in 1,000 miles. Huh. Not bad. Damn, this is definitely faster than the RM3 because ours has no torque, but this one's amazing. I can't imagine what first gear feels like. Let's try first. Second gear, first, and man, these cars sound good. I don't know if I'm hearing it from the car or from the speakers, but it sounds. I like the sound of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My friend, he turned off the speaker and he said, "Don't do that."
Oh yeah.
It's
because
like,
F80s don't have the best exhaust sound. I personally I like the stereos, the sound coming from the stereo.
It's fun.
Yeah, as I say, and I like
It's
that.
fun.
I like that it gets louder as you rev up. Like when I get to red light, I can hear it like screaming through the speakers. It sounds really good.
It's also really well insulated in the car.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't really hear much from the outside. Yeah, I'm surprised. Let's see here. Yeah, these Michelins are really nice. If this was your old tires, I think we would just be spinning the whole time.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so nice. Oh wow! Dang, is that M2 mode? Why does it feel so much faster? Oh, I know. You're driving it in automatic.
I'm letting the car.
You're letting the car shift.
figure it out. Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
I was gonna say.
Because
Okay.
it'll look at how fast you're traveling, and it'll be
Yeah.
like, here's how I can give you the most torque, right?
That's why.
Yeah.
You know what? It's so different. Automatic here, it feels so nice.
Yeah.
Automatic mode on the E9X is so slow. I hate it. It doesn't choose the right gears. It's like really, it chooses the worst gears. So that's why I always drive automatic. Oh. Yeah, this thing is crazy. Oh dang, you have 110,000 miles on this car?
Yeah.
Any major issues?
Yeah, so I had to replace the valve cover gasket because it has a purge valve on it.
Oh.
And this car, it'll start to squeal.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal, but it looks really janky when you pull into like a parking lot and your car is squealing like one of the tension
That
pulleys
reminds
is going
me.
out.
That reminds me of. I used to have that issue too on the N55.
Yeah.
The exact same thing. You can't change. You have to change the whole valve cover.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It's called a PCV valve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was the other thing that I had to do was the drive shaft gets a lot of slop, and I forget what it's called, but there's a bushing for the drive shaft that eventually has to be replaced.
The center support bearing. Yeah.
Because otherwise it's like a rubber piece that cracks.
Oh, bushing.
Yeah. And then so on convertibles, because there's so much more weight and load in the back, you have to replace it. It's not really an issue in coupe or convertibles.
Wow.
But
I hope
other than that,
that doesn't happen to mine.
That was like preventative maintenance. I didn't have to do it. In terms of things that have actually gone wrong, that I've had to change on this car, there hasn't been anything besides the valve cover.
Man, that's pretty damn reliable, man. Valve cover and the drive shaft.
Yeah.
That's not bad. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave a link in the description for all this stuff, including the Hardwire kit and the Blendmount. Say bye.